Alrighty, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new TCS Studios video. Today we have something kind of unexpected, again going along with the trend of some new Apple stuff and the other trend of getting it weeks after everybody else. And this one is a little bit unexpected. The iPad was pretty planned. I really wanted that. This one was kind of, if I can get it, I'll get it. And let me tell you quickly my story about how I get the next phone every year. So pretty much everyone is out of phones, and I only get the new one if I can find it in stock within the first month. And this is the second year I've been able to do that. So this one I actually found at the local Best Buy. I didn't have to go out of my way to get it. And I went to a Walmart and a Verizon, and both of them said they didn't have it. Verizon said none of their stores in the area have it, so I ended up lucking out. We have the silver and white 256 gig iPhone 13 Pro here, and I wanted the white one. I haven't had the white and silver since my iPhone 7, so it has been quite a while since I've been able to have this color. And I know everyone loves the new blue, and I really love it too, but every single person I have seen has the new blue color, and I wanted to have something different. So I was able to find exactly what I was wanting this year. Last year, here's my current 12 Pro. I had to get the blue because that was the only thing available. I wanted the white last year, and so this is kind of my year to finally get what I was looking for. But with all of that rambling aside, let's get into the video. And we don't even need our unboxing knife today because Apple has changed their packaging. So let me grab my other iPhone 12 Pro packaging so you can see what I mean. So there is the iPhone 12 Pro packaging. You can see it has the plastic wrapper all the way around it. And anyway, I'm not going to ramble about this anymore. That's how it looked last year. They got rid of that. This is still factory sealed. And all we do is we pull our tab right here. I apologize for the message sound. Pull that tab just like that. And that one's a little bit more difficult on the bottom. And there we go. Man, it looks so good in that light right there. It looks even better in person. Hopefully the Fuji's doing a good job at picking up that color. Let me put it side by side with the last year's so you guys can get a idea of the color and the camera sizes as well. You can see it is significantly larger cameras. I thought the iPhone 12 Pro cameras were pretty large, and they went and they topped that. So I don't even think I can use my 12 Pro case on this one. I'm going to have to order a new one straight away. But there's the front. We'll get to that in just one moment. And here we have our lightning connector, standard length. I do not need that. I have a extended length and wireless charger and plenty of other things to charge my phone with. And the usual, marginal stuff we get nowadays. SIM tool, which I'm surprised. A quick instruction book, and I think one Apple sticker? There's only one Apple sticker. And that's literally it, guys. That's all you get now. And so, let's get this going here. Alright, let's hope this camera can grab this. Save that paper for later. There it is. Go ahead and do the first boot. Ooh, that camera hump is pretty noticeable. I can visibly see a slant of the phone on the desk compared to this one, which you can feel it, but it's not as noticeable of a slant on the desk. That one's significantly more. So anyway, that is my very hopefully quick unboxing video of the new 13 Pro, and there it is again with the 12 Pro. And this one I am selling. I don't have a reason to keep this one around, and you know what? We'll probably have a full review on the 13 Pro once we get to play with it for a little bit more, but for now, I'm going to sign out here, guys, and we are going to hook this into iTunes straight away. I just did a fresh backup of my 12 Pro before I erased it, and I'm going to get back into business because right now I do not have a working phone. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. See ya.